Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Seasons, greetings, and all that stuff. Welcome to the 1 Minute Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now, I'd love to work with you. Come over to my calendar at ldlcall.com and book your free call. I'll be calling you back when it's good for you. Let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote from Cristiano Ronaldo. I feel an endless need to learn, to improve, to evolve, not only to please the coach and the fans, but also to feel satisfied with myself. For a player who at 18 said that he wanted to be the best player in the world, he's done pretty alright for himself. The belief you have in yourself will speak volumes when the things you want to achieve and make happen are actually even attempted. Each attempt is the next chance to make something happen and to start to see the results you've been chasing. Drive and ambition with the want to go and make yourself one of the best, if not the best, will only see you rise to the top.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.